In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen in Bluestacks 5. If you want more space for gaming or a cleaner view without distractions, going full screen is the simplest way to get it. I'll walk you through 3 straightforward methods, starting with the quickest, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Bluestacks 5. With the app in focus, the fastest way to enter full screen is with a single key. Press F11 on your keyboard. The window will immediately expand, the borders and title bar will disappear, and the Windows taskbar will hide so your game or app takes over the entire display. This is great when you want to dive in quickly and keep your hands on the keyboard. To leave full screen at any point, press F11 again. It's a simple toggle. F11 to enter, F11 to exit. If you press F11 and don't see a change, don't worry. Use the on-screen full screen button I'll show next. The second method uses the full screen button inside Bluestacks. With Bluestacks open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small full screen icon there. Click it and Bluestacks will expand to fill your entire screen. This is perfect if you prefer using the mouse or if keyboard shortcuts aren't responding. It gives you the same immersive view, hides the window borders, and maximizes your space for gameplay or apps. If you don't need a true full screen experience but still want a larger view, the third method is to maximize the window. In the top right corner of the Bluestacks window, click the square or maximize button. Bluestacks will grow to fill most of your screen while keeping the Windows taskbar and window frame visible. This is useful when you want quick access to other apps, your taskbar, or system controls without completely hiding the desktop environment. To recap the behavior, F11 is your quickest on-off switch for full screen. The full screen icon in the top right corner gives you the same expanded view using the mouse, and the maximize button enlarges Bluestacks without fully hiding system elements. Choose the method that fits your workflow. If you're gaming and want total focus, use F11 or the full screen icon. If you're multitasking and still want space, maximize the window. That's all you need to full screen in Bluestacks 5. Try each method once so it becomes second nature, and enjoy a cleaner, more immersive experience.